especially farewell party and in speaking club we enjoyed a lot. We have fun and we enjoyed a lot in our speaking club. We laughed with them, we learned with them, and we spent our more time with them. It was a very wonderful experience for me.
Today we are here for the graduation for speaking club, and first of all thank you for the Abdullah Mall, their manager, and their environment was amazing. We truly enjoyed their environment and each and everything.
That is a wonderful speaking club. We learn a lot of things. We build our confidence. And what most important thing we are thankful to Abdullah Mall to giving this opportunity, giving this land. We really enjoyed here the wonderful party and also this place.
In a speaking club, we learned a lot of things. We learned how to give presentations, everything with confidence. We were encouraged a lot, too much. So yes, we enjoyed the journey of a speaking club.
My speaking club journey was wonderful. I will never forget it. And the setup for Abdullah Mall was very good. I really love this.